Dr. Anand Ranganathan. Dr. Ranganathan, what do you make of this? This virtual red carpet appearance of Indian Communist bosses and DMK parliamentarians?
Good evening, Rahul. I have said this before, I say it again. There is no cure for communism. It can only be defeated through herd immunity. At a time when China is the enemy of the free world, when it has unleashed, quite possibly deliberately, a virus that has wrecked the world economy and killed millions, at a time when it has murdered our Jawans in an unprecedented display of barbarism, we have Sitaram Yechuri and Indian communists congratulating China. Do they not have any shame? Well, of course they don't, Rahul. Remember, this is the party whose co-founder Dange wrote groveling mercy petitions to the British to get himself released from prison. This is the party whose co-founder EMS Namboodiripad asserted, quote, he will wreck Ambedkar's constitution from within, unquote, from prohibiting anyone from organizing blood donation camps during the 1962 Indochina War to passing a resolution hailing the Tiananmen Square massacre in which 10,454 innocents were ruthlessly murdered, to perpetrating the brutal Marichalpi massacre of 10,000 Dalits. From Lenin to Stalin to Mao to Castro to Che to Pol Pot, is their family tree drawn in blood of innocents, Rahul? Fitting that these mass murderers and their apologists were rightly condemned by Ambedkar. I am an implacable enemy of the communists, he said, of the followers of this anti-science cult that has resulted in the murder of 100 million and is the antithesis of Darwinism in that it abjures competition and empathy. It attracts hateful, incompetent failures in life. It cushions their guilt of destroying things they are incapable of ever building. A communist suffers from a heady mix, Rahul, of inferiority and persecution complex that soon turns to anxiety when the ideas of the cult are rejected by all intelligent humans and animals alike. A communist's only refuge then is among people of his own tribe. What inevitably follows is authoritarianism, thought control, state control, and then total control. Rahul, just 30 seconds. But what really takes the cake today is that these bandicoots who never tire of expressing solidarity with Palestinians and Syrians and Rohingyas and other persecuted Muslims around the world have consumed Fevicol and zipped their lips, even as China has interned 1.5 million Muslims in concentration camps, is orchestrating their systematic rape and torture, demolishing mosques, jailing hundreds of Muslim writers and journalists, imposing forced mass sterilization on them, feeding them pork and alcohol, but not a word. Instead, you have Yechuris congratulating the Chinese. Arey kuch to bol Sitaram, kya lab azad nahi tere?
Well, as they say, don't wave the proverbial red rag in front of Dr. Anand Ranganathan, because this is what you get, an unvarnished exposition on communist hypocrisy, duplicity, and in his words, treachery. And I just want to bring you in, Ian. Quick response. I want to bring in Sanju Verma also on the larger questions. Yes.
No, I don't mind the pot shots taken by Mr. Shamsheer, because I'm quite used to it, because that's the place where I worked in you. But you know, I used to think that these communists are brainwashed. But I apologize, I take my words back, because in order to be brainwashed, you need to have brain. What Mr. Shamsheer is saying is totally devoid of facts. Let me expose him right now. He is, he would claim that he's an atheist, but at least maybe his background being, he's a Muslim, or maybe his family members are Muslim. Mr. Shamsheer, do you condemn the internment of 1.5 million Uyghur Muslims in Chinese concentration camps? Yes or no? If you have the guts, if you are a communist and have the guts, say answering yes or no. It's a point blank question. औकात है तो बोलो yes or no. Do you condemn China? हिम्मत है? चले आते हैं.
Look, I am a patriotic Indian.
Do you condemn
I'm not,
USA?
I'm
Yes,
not worried,
yes,
or I'm not
or no?
afraid of condemning
Yes or
China.
no?
I'm a patriotic Indian. You
are an
don't question my
Islamophobic
patriotism.
figure.
You
are
don't
an
question the
Islamophobe.
patriotism of the Indian
You are
Communist Party.
anti-Muslim.
I'm a communist.
You are
I'm a
anti-Muslim.
communist of Indian Party, Indian Communist
You are
Party, not a part of
anti-Muslim.
Chinese Communist Party.
Rahul,
So
are
my first priority
anti-Muslim. You are a bigot.
to defend my country.
You fight for Palestinians.
Don't
Okay.
look.
Fight for
Why you are
Syrians.
making
One second.
unnecessary
And you are
unnecessary
right.
comments?
Let's not get
Unnecessary
down. No,
comments
one
here.
second, one second. Let me
Why you are
step
making
in.
unnecessary comments here?
Viewers, let me step in here.
Look, that
Let me
gentleman is
let me
making
let me
unnecessary
step in.
comments here.
Let me step in.
Muslims.
Look.
You are slipping away
Look,
from
one
the
second,
topic.
one second, one
You are
second,
going
one second.
away from
Let's
the
not make
topic.
this
And you are
personal.
putting
Let's
communal
not make
venom in
this
the topic.
personal. Let's
are
not
putting
make this
communal venom in
personal.
the
Let's not
topic.
make
Why
this
so?
personal. Okay. One second. Let's not make this personal, but this is an
Yeah,
important
he is
question
making
of human
personal
rights
remarks. And
violations.
his
Every
remarks is
government
very
around the
juvenile.
world,
His
including
remarks
the
is very
United
juvenile
Nations,
remarks.
is asking questions about China, about the
I feel pity
internment
towards him.
of
He's
Uyghur
juvenile
Muslims, sir.
remarks. I feel pity towards his juvenile remarks.
Are Shamsheer,
Okay,
you have
juvenile.
exposed
Everything is
yourself.
juvenile.
Have some
You are now
shame.
going to respond to
Your
him.
fellow
Okay,
Muslims are
okay.
watching
Lower
you.
everyone's status. Okay, wait.
Yeah.
Wait. This is not where we want this debate to go. Viewers, the point is that certain individuals are not standing up for what is right and not denouncing what is wrong. It's very simple. I don't know what's holding them back. I don't know. But I want to ask you, Sanju, first for his comments on this big breaking news that you are conveying to us, Madhav. Dr. Ranganathan, your opinion on this?
No, this has been, Rahul, one of the single biggest tragedies, if I can put it that way, perpetrated by India on Indians over the last 2.5, even 3 decades. I mean, the mind boggles. Here was a genius. He was an incredible engineer who was years ahead of many countries, if not the West. And he was a pioneer of, liquid jet propulsion turbine technology. And he would have actually taken ISRO years ahead than, the amount that it took ISRO to finally reach that place. But tragedy struck. And it was not a conspiracy that people alleged for 20, 30 years. I mean, the Supreme Court acquitted him in 1998, but I want to emphasize on this, that it took 20 years. This is how ungrateful as a nation we are, Rahul. Here is a brilliant genius who was tortured when imprisoned. And the Supreme Court in 2018 asked the state to give him what? 50 lakh rupees for all what he went through. 25 years of unbelievable torture, psychological, mental, physical. And the cost of that is 50 lakhs. Is that what the cost is? Well, you may say that in this country there is a tragedy every crossroad, and you are probably right, Rahul, because the Supreme Court in its, I don't know what to say, has even told the Kashmiri Pandits that too much time has elapsed, so, you cannot, it will not hear cases of murders and rapes that were perpetrated against them. But here I'm talking specifically of Mr. Nambi Narayan. I mean, who is going to pay for the life that he has lost? Is 50 lakhs enough? I must compliment in a very small way the Kerala government, at least, that it increased that amount to 1.3 crores, but even that is just not, he lost his life. I don't know when we learn. Have we learned the lesson?
Let me tell you, more than that, you're talking about learning lessons. Lessons can only be taught when there is accountability. And let me tell you that while the